Hello guys, today I will show you how to make 3D out effect summer theme in Canva. Let's get started. First, go to the Elements app, click on the trapezoid up frame option and add it. Then, increase its size. Go to the Elements app, click on the grass option and add it to the frame. Then go to Elements, click on the dark soil cutout and add it. Bottom of the frame, aligned with the line. Next, go to Elements, select the family image, press R, and add it above the grass in the frame. And click on Edit Image, go to Effects, and click on Background Remove. This will remove the background of the image. Click on the image, duplicate it, then click on Edit Image and select the duotone option. Next, click on Custom. Click on the highlight color and set it to black. After that, click on Blur, select the whole image, and set the intensity to 28. Go to Transparency and set it to 91. Next, go to the Flip option and click on Flip Vertical. This will turn your image upside down. Then, press R and add the shadow of the image below it. Next, left-click, go to the Layers option, and click on Send to Backward. This will move your image to the backward. Then click on the background image and go to Color to choose any color. I usually choose blue. Next, go to Elements and add the palm tree. Then, take the tree and add it to the right side. After that, duplicate it and add it to the left side. Then, go to Flip and click on Flip Horizontal to flip the tree. Go to Elements and bird add it to the upper left side. Go to Elements again and add a cloud to the side with the bird. Make it slightly smaller and move it to place it above the bird. Then left-click, go to Layers, and click on Send to Back. This will move the cloud behind the bird. That's our image. How do you like it? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube and hit the bell icon.